Where do you want to go? For the picture. Oh my god.
Tonight here all our friends and our kind of like colleagues and everything. So it's fun. We have a good time. But tomorrow is like the real response you get from the general public.
Now what do you have to say about your look in the movie?
What do I have to say about it? Well, Anita Shroff has done the clothes and she's done a fabulous job. I think it was important in a film like this where you have a lot of liberties to give each character a specifically individual style. It's not like you have to follow a strict look as if you're playing like a village character or something. So you have a lot of freedom, and I think she's done a superb job with the girls.
Okay, the look overall is stunning, all the stuff.
Yeah.
But besides you, any one actor, do you think,
I honestly think, if there was any other one actor who was, or one actor at all who was standing out, then it would have meant that the stylist didn't do a fair job. She gave one person better costumes, but I really think everyone had a specific look for their character, and Anita really maintained that throughout the film. So everyone adds a different angle or a different particular style to the film.
Abbas Mustan excel in thrillers.
Yeah.
So I mean, this thriller, how do you think would outstand the
I
others?
think it's a fantastic film that they made. See, it's a fun film. It's not a film to be taken seriously or to learn lessons from and go home. It's a film which is fun. It's an enjoyable, fun experience, and that's what people have to take it as. And when the film is over, you leave the film, you feel you've had a good time. That's what's important.
What has been the response of people around you so far?
Well, on my right hand side is Seth, my left hand side is my sister, so the response is good, because it would be very funny if it wasn't, coming from Seth and my sister. So I think, as I said, tomorrow you'll get the real response from the audience. But obviously we're having fun right now.
इसका मालूम ओरिजिनल कास्टिंग क्या था तुषार कपूर बॉबी देव
Samir, I think that's going to be very exciting. So we're just looking forward to the next stuff. Very, very good, exciting stuff by Abbas Mustan. Top class stuff.
How was the movie, sir?
Really good film. I'm looking forward to the second
How
half
was the look
actually.
of the movie?
Oh, amazing look, everything's perfect. I
What
think
did you
great.
like the most in the movie, sir?
Up now, all of them on. I mean, all of them. Trust me, Saif, Akshay, superb.
Thanks
Thank
a
you.
lot, sir.
दोघा तिघांना ठेवून दिलं झाले इंटरव्ह्यू एखादा एक
Sure. I'm okay. Go away. Come. Yudi, come.
Madam, side please.